Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're opening this goddess story box. This looks a bit different from the other ones. You who watch a lot of unboxings, this is more like the Goddess Feast boxes. This is the 10 M04. This is the online version. I think this is the only online version of the 10 ones. A very expensive box. Never opened it before, so this is completely new to me. And sorry to say, I don't have the ordinary 1004, so I can't compare what difference is. And I don't know if I've seen any unboxing of this. So yeah, it would be interesting. Like I said, like some boxes open like this. The only Goddess Story box who is like this. When I first saw this long ago, I didn't know it was a Goddess Story box at all. So yeah, this interesting. Let's see how many packs. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 packs. So a bit different from other kinds. Yeah, I don't know how many cards per pack or rarities or anything. Yeah, nice pink color to it. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, that was easy. Yeah, I always say one. Now I can cut the rest, I think. Let's make sure I don't cut the cards.
There's a place where this really happens, and that your adventure,
Yeah,
resilience,
commercials.
combat. Flying fish, it happens. Freaky heads with tentacles. A place where what the just happened happens all the time. It happens on PS5.
Yeah, let's see how many cards. Yeah, only 4 cards per pack. It kind of sucks. Maybe just spoiled from how much you get in other Goddess Story boxes. SR and other SR. Yeah, this was very nice. Apart from a bit dark card, but yeah, other ones very nice. Art to it. And then yeah, this one clear card, FR card. And last one, an SSR. Yeah, kind of fitting now that I have the Sailor Moon theme going, and I just open one very different, very nice Sailor Moon box. This is very, very nice SSR card. SR. Hunter SR. A bit different from the rest. Different kind of framing and yeah, colors and stuff. And a clear card. Very nice. This plastic and yeah. SSR. Yeah, this was nice. SR. The pink, silver. Yeah, sticking together. Another SR. Yeah. Clear card. A bit faded colors, I think. Yeah, 18. Yeah. And an SSR. Another SR. SR. SFR. And an SSR. Yeah, this bit more spicy for the Goddess Story cards. Yeah, the Nami. Yeah, you usually don't get One Piece characters in Goddess Story, right? I don't think so. I thought about keeping this as favorite, but yeah, I think I need to switch it out. A little because it's a bit spicier, so that's unusual, and also because it's One Piece character, and yeah, that's not usual, not as far as I know. Yeah, about shows and stuff, this is the Spy Family, I believe it's called. Yeah, same as the inside of that one. That's all sticking together a little bit. Another SR. And the FR card. So is this a Pokemon character, since there's a Pokemon balls on the card? I never gotten into Pokemon in any way, just recognize the balls. I know it's very popular, but yeah, I haven't played any Pokemon games, or not even these live ones when you went out to chase with the mobile phone. SR, SR, FR. Another very spicy card. Yeah, I must switch the other one out, I think. Even though, yeah. SSR. SR. Yeah, this one. This one I liked. Another SR. I had a clear card. FR. Yeah, very nice with the. It's so hard to show off this. Lots of hearts on this card. SSR. Duplicates. So. Yeah. You have the two different rarities to this FR with the foil. I think this was the first one I think I got with this more rare foiling. I really like the foiling, this different kind of foiling, more colorful to it and just not the only the gold. But yeah, I would prefer it on that card, I think. SSR. Now I want something new, something different. I have no idea what different types of rarities there are in this. FR and SSR. Now I got something, a CP. Yeah, this is quite different from I'm used to. This had a lot of textures to the foiling on the card. You can feel all the lines, the gold foiling lines. Yeah, I think I must do something about the light. I don't know what, because I don't know how to fix the light coming from the back. So, very nice. FR, Jamiko. Yeah, I wished this one and that one I would want with the other foiling. Very nice. SSR. Oh, nice. I wonder if the CP maybe is the... Yeah, this isn't as fun. It's third time I think I got in this. I think maybe I wonder if that is the card that you don't get in the normal 1004 box set. I think that's because I know it's like that in the 5M boxes, the online version, that you have one rarity you don't get in the normal box. So I'm guessing it's the same in this one, so probably the CP card. SR, SR, and FR, another SSR. 2 packs left. Oh, something new. Oh, yeah, something new. Spoiler. SR, SR, and FR. Yeah, let's see what this is. Puzzle? Looks like a puzzle piece, but on the back side, let's see. Huh. No rarity on the front. Very different kind of card and foiling and stuff on the front. A glitter foiling and different color foiling. What does it say? Oh yeah, here. An SP. Kind of almost looks like it would be a puzzle piece at the front as well. Maybe it is, I don't know. Yeah. Hopefully it's not a puzzle piece at the front as well, but it kind of looks like it with here. And yeah, a bit of the art, but maybe not since you have the full character. And it's kind of nice. You kind of have own card on the back side as well, but yeah, you can obviously see it's a puzzle piece. But yeah, since it has it on the front, we can put it like that. SR, SR, FR. Very nice FR card. I think I only got. Did I only got one of the other foil FR cards? I think. Yeah, this one. It's kind of easy. Really like the foiling to this one. Yeah, only one. Maybe you only get one of them and the rest normal. Last card, SSR. Yeah, so what did you think about this box? The cards, what was your favorite? I think I like the foiling and stuff best on this one, but a bit too dark. And yeah, it could be much nicer art on the card, and yeah, also like these FR cards, very nice, but yeah, the card itself very nice, the CP, but yeah, I would prefer a bit more to the background and a bit nicer art, girl art. But it's nice with something new, different. But yeah, this I would have to say is my favorite one, this SSR card. Both the art for the girl and yeah, something different for the goddess story. Both not super common with spicier cards, but yeah, it's quite a few I realized opening more and more boxes, but yeah, not common with the One Piece, I don't think, characters in it. Yeah, I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and please comment what you think. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.